It's just a nice slow day today. I don't feel like doing much roofing, but it looks like Bill's already done quite a bit. He used up the rest of the shingles on his time off, so maybe another day I'll grab some more shingle, packs of shingles, and I'll finish some too. So that's good. The house is getting all sealed up, but I feel like spending this nice kind of lazy day cleaning up the library. We just have a surfeit of stuff everywhere. Wood is going in here so we can have like a nice little bonfire in the back or whatever. And then we were going to throw this away, but it's insulation. The only bad side to it is just that mice have been into it and there's some tar on it and stuff. But to be honest, it's still good insulation. So I'm just going to stuff it into the little closet. And then later on, we might use it for packing around pipes or just specific extra things. We might throw it away, but there's no reason just to throw it away now because it still works. It's just kind of dirty. So it works. I don't want to fill up Bill's trash can, so I'll wait until trash day to continue this.
Bar, there it is.
So what are you going to be doing for the video?
Take that roof vent off, that square one.
Yeah.
Otherwise the roofing guy's going to destroy it. And they're like 35 bucks a piece.
That's 35 bucks you don't want to throw away.
So I'm going to carefully take it off and say, here, put it back on.
It's kind of a one-man job, kind of like this cleaning up.
It's
so
going to take me all of 10 minutes.
Yeah. We don't really know if I have much really to film today, so just kind of little bits of little things.
Well, that and we got to put those boards out on front so that the ladder can lean against it because he needs that to get up and down.
True.
Because I don't think he wants to go up and down the window.
No.
I am going to tell him though when he gets here, hey, the door is open if you guys got to use the bathroom.
Yeah.
So that's what I'm going to go do.
Oh, that one. I thought you meant the big one.
No, this one right here.
Oh, nice.
Clean it up a little bit.
Want me to take it?
Yeah. set that on the porch with the other stuff. I'm gonna do a little.
Oh, you gotta do more out there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay. Are they trash?
They are, yeah.
Hey, you found it.
Took a big shit on the roof up there too.
What?
Something took a big shit on the roof up there.
Probably a squirrel or...
It's probably the animal that was living in here that I haven't heard for the last several days. So hopefully it got,
Local Hillsborough method.
maybe it got eaten or something. But yeah, that shit up there, that ain't no squirrel shit.
Hey, let's take you into this. So you can just
Oh yeah.
kind of move around. What a useless piece of junk. Just stupid.
Nail that bent over on me.
Ah, dumb old nails. You get any progress though?
Yeah, I just making some spacers so we can set the ladder up here without crushing the,
Yeah, good idea.
just for the roofing guy.
Yeah, that looks great. I was worried that you need a beefier thing, so that's why I got that out. I'm glad you didn't have to use that.
No. I'm just trying to make some room to bring the ladder back a little farther for him.
Yeah.
A little steep. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's not bad at all. I didn't really know what we were dealing with after all.
Yeah, just something to keep it away from the edge.
I guess I'll move that back to the basement. Yeah, it's better.
That'll do nicely.
Somehow my camera got covered in dust.
Oh, yeah.
Wonder how that happened.
Pressure on the side of the house.
Nice, very nice.
Well, I've got it set so this part is will never come loose, you know, the center section.
Wait a minute. Where's pine cones from?
There's another one right there.
Why do you have so many pine cones in your house, in your yard?
I don't know.
I just realized that. You don't have pine trees. Or is it pine trees over there?
Well, there's one. It's probably from her tree.
No, those are small ones.
That,
Those are like roundish
no,
ones.
that big one right there.
Yeah, but that has roundish cones. It doesn't have long cones. Is that one maybe? Those big ones over there?
Oh, it could be.
Maybe that
I mean, it's been windy as shit, so. And then that cardboard,
Ha! Do you see that? It came down like each run.
that cardboard there was in her yard.
Oh.
And she's like, is that yours? I said, no, I seen that the other day. That's not mine. She's like, well, what is it? I'm like, I don't know. I'll go take a look. So I brought it over. I'm like, oh, it's a piece of packaging from somebody bought some. So
Weird.
I said, I'll throw it over here. I'll take care of it.
What'd you find?
I started scraping a little bit.
Uh-huh.
So I'm going to, you know, you can see they're loose. So
Yeah.
I'll remount those. But I mean, envision,
I have replacements of those.
envision that all smooth and
Oh, that'd be
repainted.
good.
Fuck yeah.
Oh, by the way, he bought some paint scrapers so we can finally start scraping this paint and maybe do some repainting this spring or summer.
Like, look at that. The way that is. And then after I scrape, you get all that detail back.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So when I go to paint that, that's going to look freaking
It's
awesome.
gonna be lovely. And,
Yeah,
and some of the stuff, like, as long as it's not too bumpy, it can stay.
Well, see, I'm going to get a small belt sander. I ain't going to go hog wild with it, but I'll just kind of
Yeah.
feather this out. So, I mean, it's going to be freaking awesome.
I wonder if they make like tiny ones, like handheld ones, that are just like that big.
Well, they do make orbital sanders, the palm ones.
Those suck.
I'm going to get a belt one.
Yeah.
A smaller belt.
Well, I just mean like what if it's like a 1x6 belt? Cause like the one I'm building is a 6x48.
You mean an inch?
Yeah, 1 inch wide and like I only have a surface area of like 3 inches and it's like a little tiny one. Oh, that'd be kind of cool.
I don't know if they do it out. Well, we'll check it out when we go to get one.
Yeah.
But this was all just experiments. I got to take whatever that was.
That was one of those plastic hose holder things.
Oh, yeah. But then I thought I would get it this far and just kind of whiz over with the belt sander just to feather that all out.
Are these all nails? Oh, those are all nails. I guess they're holding them in.
Yeah, I don't know what they were doing with that.
Oh, whatever.
But that's another thing. I want to get nails, and then as I go along, if I find a loose board, because every now and then you'll find a loose one, then I'll just kind of tack it down.
Maybe go with stainless steel nails so they
Get
don't.
some caulk. And
Let's do stainless steel nails so they don't run rusty speaks.
if they're not too expensive.
Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thank you very much for watching. See ya. That is the weirdest chair I've ever seen. Oh yeah, you're right. This is too small, but just barely.
Yeah, see that other piece, I think, is more, but I think the other piece is too thick.
Yeah. You know, but we might be able to get away with using that because it is the right thickness. The vertical thickness? I don't know.
Well, how much of this is going to stay wood?
Should we just have a rug over it and call it quits?
Well, I think a big area rug in here, but I'm wondering if this wouldn't be nicer, because this is going to be the dining area. Should we put like a sheet flooring in here? I don't want to do the square individual ones like that. Because then they
You know, I really like the idea of rugs. You can take them outside and pressure wash them.
Yeah,
Let's just do a rug for each room.
I wouldn't mind that.
Okay.
And bedrooms, I know I'm putting carpet in there.
Yeah, you want like
Because it's a bedroom.
you want some nice carpet. They
Yeah.
won't freeze your feet off in the winter.
Right.